Hello everyone, today I will inform you the water purification process in Orleans Parish. More than half of residents in Orleans Parish drink bottled water because they fear that the water the city produces isn't safe for drinking. So today I will discuss how the water purification process aids in making our water safe for drinking. During this speech, I will inform you how water is pumped from the Mississippi River, how it is purified, and how it is distributed to residents in Orleans Parish. Water from the Mississippi River is pumped into the city's water plants located in Carrollton and Algiers through several large pipelines. From here, the water purification process begins. The first step in the purification process is coagulation, where coagulant chemicals are added to the water. These chemicals are added to the process at a very precise dosage and mixed rapidly into the river water to ensure efficient and complete coagulation. These chemicals cause very fine particles that make up suspended solids present in the water to clump together. Next is the flocculation process. After the raw water has been coagulated, it is mixed by large chemical patterns into a process called flocculation, which causes fine light particles that were created during the coagulation process to mature into large, dense, stable particles that will settle quickly. And the next step is the sedimentation process. Here, flocculated waters travel into primary settling basins or clarifiers. These large, dense particles formed during flocculation and coagulation settle, allowing clarified waters to be separated and forwarded through the remainder of the purification process. During the next process, the water will be disinfected. This process begins by adding chlorine and then ammonia. The water is then passed through basins to provide detention time for the disinfection process to be completed. The next step is the pH adjustment. In this process, the pH is adjusted by adding lime, also known as calcium oxide. Adjusting the pH makes the water more basic and less corrosive to the pipes in our water distribution system and to the plumbing in the residents' homes. A small amount of polyphosphate is also added during the process to keep the lime dissolved in the water. The next step is fluoridation. Here, a small dose of fluoric acid is added to prevent dental cavities. And the last step of the purification process is the filtration process. This step removes any remaining suspended particles from the water. Here, it is passed through filters at a controlled rate. This completes the purification process. Filtered water is then collected from the many filters in service and flows to one of the several pumping stations located on the plant grounds and delivered to the residents of Orleans Parish to provide safe drinking water and fire protection. Between the two water plants, nearly 146 million gallons of water are purified per day. The treated water is pumped through more than 1,600 miles of mains throughout the city and delivered to approximately 353,000 residents in Orleans Parish. I hope that I have provided you with a clearer vision of how water is purified to make it safe for drinking. All of the information provided in this speech can be found on the Sewage and Water Board of New Orleans website only, for they are the only organization that provides water for the residents in Orleans Parish. If you research other government entities' sites, their water purification process, you will see that it is similar to the one here in Orleans Parish. Do we have any questions?
No.
Thank you.